Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to source for the most honest, in-depth reviews of trending personal care tech. Today, we're diving into what we confidently call the best Mascarilla Facial Led available right now, the NVBOTY Red Light Therapy Mask. This is not your average skincare device. In fact, it might just replace your expensive spa visits and bring professional-level skincare straight into your home. Let's explore why. At first glance, the NVBOTY Red Light Therapy Mask might look like a sleek, futuristic visor. But behind its soft silicone build lies a powerhouse of skincare technology. This mask is packed with 400 LED beads. That's 4 panels with 100 LEDs each, delivering double the power and coverage compared to many other light therapy masks on the market. If you're serious about improving your skin's texture, tone, and overall youthfulness, this kind of LED density means faster and more noticeable results. But power alone doesn't define this device. It's all about the wavelength technology. NVBOTY incorporates 4 distinct light modes, each scientifically designed to target different skin concerns. The infrared and red light combo, with wavelengths at 850 nanometers and 630 nanometers respectively, works deep into the skin to boost collagen, improve elasticity, and smooth fine lines. For those battling pigmentation and redness, the orange light at 600 nanometers helps reduce discoloration and calm inflammation. And the blue light, coming in at 460 nanometers, helps control sebum production and clear up breakouts by targeting acne-causing bacteria. There's a 4-color cycle mode that rotates through all lights for an all-in-one treatment. One of the standout features is its remote control. It's not just convenient, it's also rechargeable with a solid 2000 mAh battery, so you're not constantly plugging in or replacing cells. It comes with a default 10-minute timer, but you can easily extend your session to 15, 20, 25, or even 30 minutes with just a tap. This flexibility lets you customize each treatment session to suit your schedule and skin's needs. And when your session's up, the device automatically powers off, a thoughtful touch that adds safety and ease of use. Comfort is key for any wearable device, and NVBOTY doesn't disappoint. The mask is soft, skin-friendly, and lightweight, perfect for all skin types, even sensitive ones. Its all-in-one strap-free design hugs your face comfortably, allowing the light to be evenly distributed across your skin. You'll also notice the integrated eye shield, which helps block out direct LED exposure so you can relax or multitask while wearing it, watch TV, read, or simply meditate during your skin therapy. Let's talk practicality. This mask is designed for real-world use. You only need to use it 3 to 4 times a week for about 20 minutes per session to start seeing results. No pain, no side effects, and no downtime. Plus, it's reusable, portable, and travel-friendly, making it easy to stick to your skincare routine even when you're on the go. It's like having a full-time esthetician in your bag. With professional-grade performance, portability, and a smart design, the NVBOTY Red Light Therapy Mask makes a strong case as the best value-for-money LED face mask on the market. Whether you're dealing with acne, fine lines, pigmentation, or just want that post-facial glow every day, this device delivers consistently and effectively. So if you're ready to invest in your skin and say goodbye to costly spa treatments, the NVBOTY Red Light Therapy Mask might be exactly what you've been looking for. That wraps up our review today here on Product Critique. Don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth tech and beauty reviews. And let us know in the comments what you want us to test next. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.